And in more news coming in again, this is the poll season. The story is from West Bengal, where Tejasvi Yadav is meeting Mamata Banerjee in the capital city of Kolkata today. RJD, remember, is extending all support to the TMC in its battle against the BJP. This meeting, of course, is among the top leadership. It comes over a meeting a few weeks ago between RJD's local leadership in Bengal with Abhishek Banerjee. Interesting turn of developments there. RJD, in fact, with the Trinamool Congress in the state of West Bengal. Paulami Saha is also getting us more on that story. Paulami, RJD has been in alliance with the Congress party in Bihar, not too far away in West Bengal, aligning with the TMC. Interesting developments when it comes to the kind of alliances that we are seeing, isn't it?
Oh, absolutely. It literally goes from state to state. For instance, in Bengal, if the Congress and the left are together, they're fighting it out in Kerala. So here you see, the RJD extending support to the TMC, a very critical meeting, a crucial meeting, which will happen this evening in Kolkata, where Tejasvi Yadav will meet Mamata Banerjee, the Chief Minister of West Bengal. And what sources within the RJD have told us is that the RJD is not looking specifically to get seats, who wants to contest the elections. They want to just extend every possible support and help to Mamata Banerjee in order to defeat the BJP, and that is the RJD's agenda. Remember, there was a meeting earlier itself some weeks ago towards the start of February where the local leadership of the RJD here in Bengal met with Abhishek Banerjee as well. At that time, there was talk of getting seats. There was indication, at least that's what the local RJD leadership said at that point of time. But the TMC did not agree to any of that because they believe that they are in a position to win. If they conceded seats to RJD in some sort of an alliance, RJD is not in a strong position in West Bengal to win any of those seats. So TMC was not keen on any such sort of an alliance or a development in their arrangement of sorts. And now, of course, what we're learning is that the RJD, at least that's what sources are telling us, they'll not be insisting on any sort of seats to contest on. What they want to do is to give Mamata Banerjee every support possible in order to defeat the BJP in the upcoming elections.
Absolutely. Extend support to Mamata Banerjee's TMC in the state of West Bengal. Clearly, no permanent friends and no permanent enemies as far as politics is concerned. Paulami, thanks for getting us your perspective on that story.